and a prayer song by a grade 12 student, Sahana Bharadwaj.
Mahamaya Jagadamba Jaya Durga Mahamaya Jagadamba.
I also request our parents to join us in lighting the lamp from their homes as per your own tradition.
Dear students, you are a unique batch. You are right. Unique in the sense your learning was completely online. Your classrooms shrank into tiny windows on screen. Your teachers and friends were several kilometers apart. The board became a PowerPoint, a PPT. The pedagogies changed. The way you submitted your assignments changed. Yet, what remains unchanged is the final assessment and its pattern. It's a proof of your ability to adapt to changes and face challenges with resilience. These experiences will prepare you well for now and for future. See, it's natural if you're feeling a little anxious or worried. Let us assure you that we have seen your performance in your pre-board exams, and as a batch, you are prepared. Having said that, Acharyas are there to guide you, and your parents are there to support you all the way. All of you are prepared, right? Children, it's not too late. You have a month and 5 days in hand. It's true that we cannot go back and change the beginning, but you can always start now and change the way forward. Write down now, write down today, what's the best thing to do. If you have not been systematic, you still have the time. Study intelligently, focus on concepts that are important, and your acharyas can guide you here. If you have been systematic and you're very well prepared, it's time to internalize your learning deeply. So do internalize. It's important to eat well, drink enough water, because this is going to help you regenerate. Avoid junk food, avoid TV, avoid video games, because these are there to drain your energy. Instead, go for short walks, exercise, play a little game with your brothers or sisters, spend some time with your parents, talk to your grandparents, do all that you think makes you happy and energizes you. It's important that you work hard, and we wish that each one of you do your very best. We seek divine's blessings to bless and protect each one of you.
Students appearing for the ISE examination. Students appearing for the ICSE examination.
पूजा அப்படின்னா பூர்ணம் ஜனயதி இது பூஜா அப்படின்னு சான்ஸ்கிரிட்டில் சொல்லுவோம். நம்மளை ஃபுல்ஃபில்மெண்ட்டாக ஆக்குறது இந்த பூஜை. அப்புறம் எதுக்காக நம்ம இந்த பூஜை பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா அப்டக்கிள்ஸ் ரிமூவ் ஆகிறதுக்காக, நம்மளோட எஜுகேஷன் இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகிறதுக்காக, நம்மளோட லைஃப்பில் இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் ஏற்படுறதுக்காக நம்ம இந்த பூஜைகளை பண்றோம்.
ओम शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेते सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये.
ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது டீச்சர்ஸோட பிளெஸ்ஸிங்ஸ். எதுக்காக டீச்சர்ஸோட பிளெஸ்ஸிங்ஸ்னா, ஸ்ரீமத் பாகவதத்தில் கிருஷ்ணா தன்னோட ஃப்ரெண்டான குச்சேலர், அதாவது சுதாமாவின் இடத்துல சொல்கிறாரு. என்ன அங்கே இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டான விஷயம் அப்படின்னா, கிருஷ்ணன் சொல்கிறார், குரோஹோ அனுகிரகே நெய்வ மான் பூர்ணஹா பிரசாந்தையே. ஒரு டீச்சரோட ஃபுல்லான பிளெஸ்ஸிங்ஸ்னால்தான் அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட் லைஃப்பில் நல்ல பொலிவு, அவனுக்கு என்னெல்லாம் தேவையோ அது கிடைக்குது அப்படின்னு பாகவதத்தில் கிருஷ்ணா சொல்கிறான். அதனால் எல்லா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டும் அவங்களோட டீச்சர்ஸோட பிளெஸ்ஸிங்ஸை வாங்கிக்கணும்னு கேட்டுக்கிறேன்.
Namaste children. Good luck to you all 12th standard and 10th standard students. I know you all have prepared very well for the exams and you will be doing very well with the grace of Almighty. Always sincere effort and hard work has given good results. Go by that, put in your efforts and do well for your exams. All the best. God bless you all.
All the best.
All the best, children. Do well.
All the best children, do very well. All the very best children, do your best. Good luck and you will rock. All the best children.
Teachers, you're welcome to give your blessings to the students.
I would like to say that the expert in anything was once a beginner. Stay positive, give your best and make it happen. You are
I'm very happy to give you my blessing, and I'm hoping that all of you will do your best. Instead of studying continuously, relax yourself, study. Just utilize your time to the fullest and listen to the teacher's instruction that's been given to you while writing the paper.
To all the students writing the board exams, best wishes. My prayers and blessings will always be on you. So don't stress, do your best and just forget the rest.
Wish you all the best. You've prepared for the whole year, and yes, this batch, you're all worked very, very hard, staying somewhere else, trying to do the best, learning from whatever is being taught in the class. Apply all that with a very calm frame of mind. Acharya said, make use of the reading time well, and you don't have to leave any question attempt. Whatever you feel, from the options, whatever you feel you are confident about, you please choose those questions, and I'm sure you will be able to do your best.
We want all of you to get your blessings from your parents, grandparents, and any elders that you have in your house.
Thanks a lot, Acharyas. Thank you.
We never thought this is how the year is going to be, but you have aced it through so beautifully. Being adaptable and open to changes, staying focused, all these are very, very important skills. You will also understand things will not be perfect always for us to succeed, but we need to make the most of it by staying focused. I feel so happy to bless all of you. Let me read out this beautiful quote I came across this morning. Nothing in the world can take the place of persistence. Talent will not. Nothing is more common than unsuccessful people with talent. Genius will not. Unwanted genius is almost a proverb. Education will not. The world is full of educated derelicts. Persistence and determination alone are omnipotent. Okay? The slogan "Press on" has solved and always will solve the problems of the human race. This is a beautiful quote by Calvin Coolidge, and I thought it's very, very relevant to all of us, to you, to us who are at different stages of our career. Okay, the slogan "Press On," especially, I think it really makes sense. It helps us solve a lot of problems.
I would just like to say a big thank you to all your team members, and the efforts you have put in throughout the year is tremendous, because the day they stepped into the class 10th, the pandemic took the entire stake, and I'm sure it was not even a single day an hour was wasted by you. I was totally awestruck with all your quick action towards taking a step, and I'm sure the efforts whatever you have taken, and the children who really cooperated very well, I'm sure the efforts will not go futile. Definitely it's going to be a very wonderful performance by all the Harishi students and the team and the entire teachers who have put in almost all the best efforts to bring the best performance by the students.